In this video, I'd like to introduce you to our new Z-Wave in-wall dimmer and switch, the HS-WX300. Our 300 series switch can be configured to function as either a dimmer or as an on-off switch. It can be used to launch automation scenes or events. It can be programmed to glow or blink different colors when things happen in your home, and it can be installed with or without a neutral wire. In this video, I've configured it to function as a dimmer. Let me show you how it works. The basic operation of the dimmer works like this. If you touch the bottom of the paddle, it turns the dimmer off. And if you hit the top of the paddle, it's going to turn the dimmer back on again. If you press and hold the paddle, it'll brighten it or dim it. Now let's take a look at the scene control capabilities of the dimmer. 2 taps is programmed to open the garage door or close the garage door. 3 taps will unlock the door or lock the door. 4 taps will cycle through the various colors: red, green, blue, magenta, yellow, cyan, and back to white. Let's take a look at the annunciator features of the dimmer now. I have an event that causes the top LEDs to glow yellow when the garage door is open. However, if it's after 10 p.m., they'll begin to blink red. Now, I've got a similar event that causes the bottom LEDs to glow magenta if the door is unlocked. And again, if it's after 10 p.m., those will blink red as well. I have another event that causes different LEDs to blink blue when the pool pump is running, and other LEDs will glow red when motion is sensed. Once again, a condition like the time of day can also affect the behavior of these LEDs. This final event will reset all the dimmers and reset all the systems in the house when I tap the paddle 5 times. So to recap, HS-WX300 can be configured to operate as either a dimmer or as an on-off switch. It can be used as a multi-tab scene controller. It can be programmed to glow or blink different colors when things happen in your home, and it can be installed with or without a neutral wire. For more information, please visit HomeSeer.com, and thank you for watching.